Today we will learn class 10 statistics, assumed mean method or shortcut method. We know the formula mean, it is denoted by x bar, which is equal to summation fi di divided by summation fi, where di is equal to xi minus a. Xi is nothing but your class mark. Okay, so you know how to find the class mark, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Okay, now one example we will see how to find the mean by assumed mean method or shortcut method. Okay, find the mean of the following data. So here it is, this is the question, find the mean of the following data. Class interval is given 10 to 25, 25 to 40 and so on, 85 to 100, and here number of students, this is nothing but frequency and it is denoted by fi means this is frequency 1, frequency 2, frequency 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I make summation fi, what will be that? Summation fi means a sum of all this. Summation means sum, addition of all these frequencies. 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is nothing but is, here it will be 30. So to find the mean by assumed mean method, here we need fi di na. So first we have to find here xi also, so that I will write here class mark is nothing but it is denoted by xi. Next, what is that here di means you can write here di. How to find di? Xi minus some a. So a is assumed number. Okay, that I will tell how to take. Next one is, last one is fi di, multiplication of this fi and this di will be fi di. Okay, so class mark will be here 10 plus 25 here. See here 10 plus 25 divided by 2. Okay, so what it will be? It will be 17.5. So similarly 25 plus 40 divided by 2 is, it will be 32.5. Next is 40 plus 55 divided by 2 is 47.5. next 55 plus 70 divided by 2 is 62.5. next 70 plus 85 divided by 2 is 77.5. so you can do this one. Next one, 85 plus 100 is nothing but what? Divided by 2 is nothing but 92.5 you can write. Okay, now di, how to find xi you know, these are the xi. Okay, so what is a? So how many frequency class marks are given here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is, which number it is? Even number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 means even number. If it is odd, take middle one. So here if you take 2, below 2 and upper 2 means here 2 will be middle numbers, like median we are finding na. So like that. So you consider a anyone. So I will consider a is equal to here 47.5. you can take 62.5 also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so if it is odd class marks, you can take middle directly. Here it is even 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here a I will take what? 47.5. what is xi here? 17.5. what is a here? 47.5. So if you make this one, you will get what? Minus 30. So here it is bigger is 47.5 and it is having the sign minus, so it will be what? This is equal to minus 30. This is equal to what? Minus 30. So if you make like this, say similarly 32.5 minus 47.5, you will get what? Minus 15. Similarly here also 47.5 xi and a is 47.5, so it will be 0 minus. So here it will be 62.5 minus 47.5 is 15. Similarly it is 77.5 minus 47.5 is 30. So similarly it will be 45, means 92.5 minus a. what is that a? 47.5. so it will be 45. Next fi di, this will be di and this will be fi. 2 into minus 30 is minus 60. So 3 into minus 15 is minus 45. Here 7 into 0 is 0. 6 into 15 is 90. 6 into 30 is 180. 6 into 45 is 270. Now you got fi di. Now we need in the formula summation fi di. So you have to make add of these all numbers. Here it is 2 minus numbers, negative numbers, and here it is positive numbers. So if you make here, if you add this one, summation fi di will be, here it will be 435 you will get. So you can make, first you can add these three. Then you subtract these two. Okay, you will get 435. So I hope if it is even number, you take middle two number, any one a you consider. If it is odd number, middle one you can take. Okay, for example, if I take here class marks are as like that. Okay, class marks, suppose if I take like this 1 2 3, so this is odd number, so middle one this will be a. Suppose 1 2 3 4 are the class marks, so you can take here 2 middle will come, either you would consider a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 3, you can consider. This is for your understanding. Okay, now we know the formula. What is that? Mean is equal to, that is x bar, it is denoted summation fi di divided by summation fi. So what is summation fi di here? Summation fi di we got here, it is 435 divided by summation fi is nothing but what here? This will be 30. Okay, so if you divide this one, what it will be here? 435 divided by 30. You can make here 31 za 30, or you can take 31 za 30, you can take. So what will be that? Okay, so what is here? This one you can take here. If you after dividing, you will get here, it is 113.5, so it will be 14, and 14.5 you will get after dividing. So you can write it is 14.5, but here in the formula, sorry my dear students, it will be here plus a. Okay, here it will be plus a, so here it will be plus a. What is a here? A means what? 47.5. So if you add these two, you will get 47.5 and 14.5. This will be what? 0 7 8 12, and it is 4 1 5 6 62.0. So it will be 62. So I hope students, by assumed mean method, you got mean what here? X bar is equal to what you got? 62 you got. Okay, by direct method also you are getting 62 only, and by step division method also you will get mean as 62 only. Okay, here formula, please remember my dear students, here x bar is equal to summation fi di divided by summation fi, I told na, plus a will be there. Okay, so you can, or you can write here x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di divided by summation fi. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, I forgot to write here a, so here xi minus a. So I hope you understood how to find a here when it is odd number and when it is even number of class marks are given. Okay, this is how we are finding the mean by the assumed mean method, and another we can call this name as assumed mean method as shortcut method also. So you got here mean as 62.